With 250 plus million acres and 1.4 plus billion people, rural agri-fields does not have enough labors and on-time crop care, which results in crop losses, low yield, high pesticide residues level, and excess water. TRITHI, with multispectral crop data analysis, provides prescription. Also, with its Dronia series spraying drones, provides efficient, on-time crop care services at affordable cost across India. Impact of our rural agripreneur model we created since 2014, echoed by industry today with more players following. With 10 teams, we cover 6,000 plus acres a month. We are scaling up to reach 1 lakh acres a day at 4,000 agri taluks across India. Thank you.